Coming. For some reason, my screen went to rotate and then went blank. And then went blank. Oi, annoying. Annoying is what that is. Good morning. MLGO supports the abyss. Anyways, there's your dip. Peter Yanyash. Yanyasho. Yanyasho. Wait. Watch the video you sent? Okay, I will, Peter. I will. Ayo, hey guys, we need another dip. Well, I mean, it's dipping to like 250 R7, so maybe. Let me turn this on. We need music. Maybe not, but. Do. Good morning, Nemo. Good morning, Pizza Dave. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, Emer. Bonjour. Naz, good morning. Pizza Sockets. Josh, good morning. At the end of the week, eventually build a strong foundation for the futures that take up cost. Yeah. Good morning, Jay. Good morning. Good morning. Ooh, there's a new song by Alan Walker. Why is that showing off for me then? What if I played like some Afro beats, anyway, some South African music? What are they gonna do? Anyways, pretend you were in the village for 2 seconds. That's all you get. Anyways, pretend you're in the village and the drums are going, and you're shaking your waist, shaking your hips, hands up in the sky, and doing the Macarena. Good morning, Pablo. Wait till you this. Let's go. Anyways, good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Happy Monday. CYTO had news this morning, and the stock did really well. And then it sold off. Surprise not, but 250 seems to be acting as a base. You see that little pink line at the bottom? It seems to be a bit of a base there. Let's go. We have a new member, guys. A new member, Alex. Let's go, Alex. Welcome. I'm just distracted as I'm getting you a link here. Yep. Crazy move, but no volume. Only not a whole lot of volume. Welcome, Alex. This is your invite at the bottom of the chat there. Click that link and then follow the steps in the Getting Started channel. Ready? Welcome. I put the other two here, Pablo, just because. And then I set alerts for them for now. So Air Jordan, Air Moon, Air J, Air Marijuana. So let's see if that thing does anything into the open. And then Luna obviously becomes, the more financially sound they are, the more this thing becomes more of a future. So we'll keep an eye on that. MLGO did well on Friday after the market closed, right? So we talked about it a little bit. Well, as these companies are now doing splits and then just going boom skis, split boom skis. So we're watching a whole bunch of these ones now. FLGC had news this morning. Cannabis play, right? So a lot of these plays we're watching this morning, cannabis plays. So we're gonna keep watching them for now. Lucid had some news this morning too. If I can pull it up, and the damn stock did okay, right? So yeah, so they had a deal to raise $1 billion from the Saudis. So Boeing CEO resigned. Oh wow, about time. About damn time. That's crazy, isn't it? Crazy, 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 is it? Interesting. La 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 la. With the educational channel, you should. If you're a new member, you should start with the educational channel. Educational channel. Anyways, yeah. United CEO needs to resign. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really. I don't. United. I don't know much about United. So Boeing is the one that stands out, because they always have some silly stuff going on. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it on CYTO for now, just because that's the one that's had the most momentum coming into the open. Anyways, so we can kind of watch this one going into the open, and then other stuff will show up. I'm just looking at the scanner here really quickly, see if anything pops. Cancel, 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 cancel. No, 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 no. Okay, that news doesn't work. Sounds good, Josh. Get some coffee. The janitor is the acting CEO. Doesn't even have a CEO. Those guys are useless. They might as well fire all their entire staff and shut down the whole company. Pizza from always late. At least they don't cancel. Always late to useless. Good morning, Queen. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So this is the list of pre-market gainers. In terms of earnings and other stuff, like Fed meetings and jobless claims. There's not a whole lot this week. The week after the Fed is usually interesting. A little bit on the slow side, which is fine because we could use that. I'm just pulling up the earnings calendar. GME reports earnings this week. Rumble reports earnings this week. There are a few. Where are my glasses? If I can find them, right there. Can find them. Good morning, Jeff. Yeah, let's see. On your head. Yeah. Mark? Yes. No. I don't know if I want to be any of that. I just want to be a useless goat. That's it. Anyways, so most of these names on the gainer list this morning we've talked about. If I can zoom in. Alrighty, so EG or X penny stock, we can talk. We can maybe look at this as the day goes on. But again, micro penny stock, so that's whatever. So CYTO had news not too long ago. It's posted in Discord. MLGO post split from Friday. FLGC again, cannabis name, and these cannabis stocks have been hot lately. So that's something to pay attention to. And then the rest are a bit, Lucid had news. They got some money from Saudi Arabia, so that thing is done well. Then there's a whole bunch of other random names with volume. So, again, as the day goes on, we're going to pay attention to these things. Anyways, Luna, again, like I said, Pablo's updated with AJ. So these ones just have alerts for now. So we shall come back to them. There goes CYTO with the pop, right? So 250 support, and then right back to 290, right? So if you bought the dip skis, congratulations. Congratulations. So, uh, oh, that's United. FFA considers temporal action against United. Oh, wow. Are these airlines just doing whatever they want now, or what's going on? They're like, you know what? We don't know. We don't follow rules. We just do things. 270. Yo, 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 mo. Yo, 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 mo. Huh. That's interesting though. Anyways, yeah, same resistance, same supply zone. So Daniel, just be mindful that there's resistance up there. Alrighty. Even though we broke above it last time, we came right back below. I do hope though this time we break above and then just go boom skis. But still, can't just ignore supply zone. Right there goes 294. Come on, 296. Come on. Come on. And fail for now. So anything close to $3, lots and lots of resistance. Anyways, let me pull up the other markets here. We have 15 minutes to go. The S&P. Yeah, SMFL is another one. The S&P selling off this morning. Surprise. We really should have got those damn puts. Dang it. Those dang puts. Right? One sec. SMFL. I'll take a look. Let me take a look at TQQQ here, though. I think you might actually be looking at SQQQ, Mark. ZS with the Qs. Let's do the 5 minute. Okay. That's a really nice run into the open. Very nice run. Obviously, with the market selling off, you're just going to have a little bit of resistance at 1045, 1050. Well, that's your next breakout. I'm just going to put a line there. So maybe if we break above that level into the open, that might be a play if we do that, right? So if not, we're sitting right at resistance now. It's an interesting demand zone there at the top. It's only done that because we came back to retest at 1042, but it's not a huge range though. So that demand zone is a bit interesting. So yeah, maybe just a breakout in this case. Let me know if the music is too loud, by the way. Ready? And that's good morning. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. Good morning, good morning. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on the 5 minute there. The S&P I'm gonna leave on the left hand side. It looks like we're bouncing a little bit there, so that's not too bad. Not too bad. SMFL. I'm not sure if these guys had news this morning actually, but it was doing really well. No news. It's just momentum. A lot of resistance there though at $1.15 on NAS, right? Since pre-market, it's been failing at that same spot. SMFL. Nancy Pelosi invested in FRGE. Huh. Interesting. Where do you see that? Nancy Pelosi. La, la, la. I just want to pull that up. FRGE. Let me see. $2.88. La 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 la. Other big la 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 reporter. So they're running because. Let me see here. Yeah, there's no new. I don't see any news on this one. Yeah, GNS is tanking. This is why R7, like you have, with these names, you just have to sell them before the actual news comes out, before the reason why people are buying comes out. Everybody was waiting for Roger, the Bridge Hamilton, to come out and say, "Ooh, something cool." Nope, nothing happened. Right, nothing happened. So yeah, let's make some monies, please. Rush and crunch. So again, when you're playing with these stocks and everybody's like, "Ooh, this is coming on Thursday. This is coming on Thursday. This is coming on Thursday," um, you almost want to make sure you sell before we get to Thursday, which is in a publicly traded. The only way it's I see. Okay, interesting. Yeah, there had to be something else with that. That's cool. That's cool. Maybe that's why the stock is doing really well this morning. FRGE. Um, cool. Very cool. How much time do we have? I almost want to go look into the other company now. True, true. The other company is called AB. So Nancy Pelosi invested in AB. Alliance. La. You might need to send us something here. Send us what you're seeing. AB. I just want to pull up an SEC filing here, see if I can find anything. The latest thing I see is from March 11th, so I don't know where you're seeing that from. Send me a link or something. Email is at the top there, because that could be cool. If But yeah, again, FRGE is doing well. So if you bought that and you're making money, congratulations. SMFL still failing at the top, $1.15 ish. S&P with a bit of a bounce, but still a gap down into the open. Mark SQQQ failing at 1047 still. Lucid got some monies from the Saudis. Nice pop, but it's selling off into the open. FLGC, cannabis. Nice rally in pre-market, but it's also dipping into the open. CYTO looks like the name, doesn't it? Looks like the name, but it's still failing at resistance, right? We know that pink line at the top there with that red zone resistance. So it's going to need to break out. MLGO, again, name from Friday, done a really good job holding above like $6.25 ish. So if we can stay above that level, that's not too bad. Alrighty. Ooh, FLGC just had a little pop here. So a whole bunch of things to watch into the open. Whole bunch of things to watch into the open. So yeah, Nas, I'd be looking for again, the fact that we're so close to the open, maybe you just want to wait. We're 12 minutes away. But for now, it's done a good job holding above 625. Alrighty. Come on, something give us a rally into the open, please. Please. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us in Discord. Let me quickly update this here, and then we should be good to go. GO. Uh, yeah, that's interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, CYTO looks like it wants to pop there, doesn't it? So this one looks like the name. That might give us a rally into the open here. Maybe. Actually. There we go. Where's the sun? I don't know. It's coming. Focus, good morning. Yeah, it's still failing at the same resistance. Same. So maybe we break above that resistance. The good thing though is that at least it's testing that level into the open. So there's a really good chance that if we get there and it's close to this level at the open, that it's gonna break above it. If we get to the open and it's still sitting there and it's not in the abyss. Good morning, Shaftman. So 290. Question for you guys in the chat. Pizza, don't answer with Mullen, please. Uh, what's your favorite name going into the open? If you had to watch one name for the rest of the open, what's that name? It looks like EG or X is bouncing a bit. Cassava, so SAVA had some news this morning. So completion of interim safety review of oral. Oh my goodness, all these words. So Cassava Sava. Let's see if anything happens there with that thing going into the open. Alrighty. So let's see. Did I update the? Yeah, I did. Okay. What is this? Okay. Sounds good. First Republic. DWAC. Yeah, DWAC. DWAC had a whole bunch of stuff happen over the weekend too. So, which is good. So nice little gap up there. Let's see if this thing continues. I'm gonna leave this one up actually. I'll leave that up. Is that thing's on the OTC now, isn't it, Peter? FRC. Stupid thing. Remember we were buying those damn calls? Like, oh my goodness. Powell said the banks are okay. The banks have to be okay, right? Stupid criminals. The banks have to be okay, right? Nope. Fast forward, the banks were not okay. Hey yo, Dan. Good morning. Good morning. Corey says new to the room. Last week I sold all my 32 positions. You had 32 positions. I messed with penny stocks as well. Long BCLI now from November. You have a lot of like really micro penny stocks. Corey. That's okay. At least you got rid of those positions. Why did you get rid of those positions? Like, what's the change? Are you changing something? Changing something? Let us know if you need any help, please. Alrighty. Anyways, again, so let's go back to CYTL. So we still need to break above that $3 range and then go boomski. CM, good morning. Will, good morning. Yeah, cannabis stocks. Yeah, they did. They did. We're gonna need a catalyst at some point here, Will, for the next run. Luna we have up here because again it's done really well post earnings, so we're gonna keep it up there. See if that thing can go from red to green. It's not that far down, right? So Dan, what did I do? It's Monday morning. Yesterday was Sunday. We're starting the week off on a positive note, and here's Dan already. Unbelievable. FLGC with the dipski there. Lucid doing a good job. By the way, Dan, Lucid is gapping up this morning because they got more money from the Saudis. SQQQ is still sitting in that same range, so it still needs to break out if it's gonna run. SMFL, not too bad. Another higher low, I guess. Still a lot of resistance at 115 though, right? And then there's been a lot of talk about Nancy Pelosi. You can see it on like on the socials too. Again, I just can't find the actual. But anyway, so FRG is sitting at the highs of the day, so that's not too bad. Not too bad. FRGE. Foxo? Yeah, Foxo. The speculation last week, Lynn, was that Foxo was getting into a merger. So yeah, FOXO. XO, it's still at the same price though, basically. So watch for support around 36, 35. 35 to 36 cents. Um, always ready to roast. And in Windows from the box. My goodness. See what I have to deal with. You know, I show up to the stream all happy, ready to be positive, and here we are being roasted. Anyways, CYTO still looks okay there. Come on, I want to see a break. If you're holding CYTO going into the open, so type in yes in the chat. If you're holding CYTO into the open, type in yes. Yes, R7. Yeah, you need that breakout. You need that $3 breakout. It's sitting right there. Daniel, yeah. You guys are all green. Bounced off 250 really nicely, which is amazing. We just need that breakout though. So 294. Come on, stop playing with us here. Back to 294. 291, 293, back below 290. Stupid games. Lorenda, give us a breakout, please. You're in at 280, Lynn? Okay. A few of them are BBW. La 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 la. Just took the profits out of them. Waiting for to rebuy. Okay, rebuy the same stocks. Okay. Okay. At least you made money then. Okay, that's good. Was 2 week. 2 week hold. Okay, that's not too bad. It's not too bad. Not bad at all. Oh, we're gonna get that breakout. Come on. 292, 294. Come on, Peter. Put those hands together. And as soon as I mentioned Peter, the thing said, "What? Is Peter holding this?" No, he's not holding this. No, he's not. We can go back up. Okay, we can go back up. Are you in at $2.15? 215. What's your stop loss at, Daniel? What's your runaway level? Yeah, your entry was a bit sus. Right at resistance. So Um, yeah, what are my thoughts? Well, I'm hoping we can reclaim the 200 here as soon as the market opens. Need to plug this in actually. I'm hoping we can reclaim the 200. If not, the bottom of that pivot is 196. Daniel, you want to make sure we stay above that, please. We have 3 minutes to go here. Okay, let's go back to CYTO because that's the name we think it is. It's there we go. 299. Come on, 299. Right back down. 296. 295. Stop teasing us. Stop teasing us. Come on, give us the break. Good morning, Sham. You look fresh and brand new this morning. Oh, uh, maybe it's the lighting. Maybe it's the no green screen. Garbage. But it's going up now. Yeah, as long as you're green on it. Java. Java. 280. Yeah, 280 is not a bad entry. 250 would have been nicer, but let's see. La, 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 la. Here we go. 303, guys. Come on. Give us the break. Give us the break. 307, 311, guys. Ooh. There we go. 313. Previous high was, oh, we just made new highs. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now keep pumping. Keep pumping. Finally is right. My goodness. FSR is at 8 cents. Yeah, trash. Market opens in a minute, guys. So there we go. Now the question is, can we stay above this damn $3 level though when the market opens? This would have been nice though if we actually waited for the market to open and then broke out. I hope we stay above it as soon as the market opens because some people are gonna sell it, right? Always that crazy open, candle. But at least for now, we've broken above resistance. If we can stay above it, that would be good. So make sure you have your stop losses ready, your plan ready into the open. It does look good though. So we have 20 seconds to go here. 20 seconds to go. Keep going. Where's our next resistance? It looks like 350. This stock should have all these lines because we've watched in the past. Watched in the past, obviously, but um, we need to keep going. You're selling if it's dipping. Okay, here we go. Market open, guys. 317. Up, 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 up. 320. There we go. Other way, you useless stock. Right again. Market open volatility as usual. Good morning, Alan. There we go. 320, 322, 324. The bits are all over the place. So again, just make sure you have a plan, please. Pablo? No, you did not. You did not. Let me put a stop loss here. Uh, Let me put a stop loss. So yeah, looks like the high was 228. 228 and then right back down. Which is fine because we came back for the retest of that $3 level, right? We always break out and come back for the retest. So as long as we stay above that retest, we're fine with it, right? There we go. 328, 27, 29. Give us the 33. There goes 330. Can we break and push for 350? Asking for a friend. Can we go for 350? Anyways, just keep moving your stop losses up, please. 335. 335 going once, going twice, and so 340. Come on, keep sending it. Keep sending it. Again, the closer we get to 350, though, the more resistance we're gonna have at that level. So be careful, please. Move your stop losses up. Virus and what? And thrust. And there goes a fail. So we got really close to that supply zone, and then we said nope, 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 right back down. So next support, watch for $3 ish. Other than that, SQQQ is still sitting at that level. The S&P actually popped at the open. which isn't a massive surprise because we sold off into the open. So then it's kind of bouncing, right? Again, Lucid is losing a lot of those gains. Virus, Lucid had some news this morning. They got $1 billion from the Saudis. Luna looks amazing. Nice little curly there for Luna. Amazing. FLGC, volatility up and down. MLGO, down. DWAC, a little bit of downness. Foxo, 39 cents for Foxo. Yeah, Foxo with a really nice pop. So that demand zone at 36, 35-ish is still holding. Next resistance, obviously 40 cents. Psychological level, right? 40 cents. FRGE again, I think it's still pumping. All this talk of Nancy Pelosi investing in the company that these guys are kind of connected to seems to be pumping the stock, right? So highs of the day for FRGE. Let's go, Nancy. Let's go. Even if it's not true, people might be still be jumping in, just because Saudi monies. Yeah, Saudi monies. Yup, yup, yup. Wait, what? Okay, makes sense. Do 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 do. That makes sense. Oh dang! Here I was coming to look for a Tesla dip this morning. Tesla is not dipping. Anyways, yeah, no, FRGE looks nice. Alrighty, looks nice. Let's go back to CYTO though. So for now, again, if you're still playing and watching this thing, that $3 needs to hold, and then we need to go back to 340. $3.40. Na 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 na. Let's go. Anyways, it looks like it's actually holding the 9 EMA really well, which is good. So the blue line is holding. There we go, 330. Push, 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 push. Looks like some people took profits and we're going right back up. Come on, CYTO. Be the it stock. As soon as we go below the 9, as soon as we close below that 9, I feel like it's going to flush. Your stop loss hit at 316 and now it's going back up. Yeah, that's annoying. Yes, anytime you put a stop loss, like above that support, there's a really good chance it hits. That's fine though, because you made money, right? If you know that if you know that your support is $3, right? That's your breakout. $3. If your stop loss is above that, there's a good chance it's gonna hit. But either way, it doesn't matter. As long as you make money, that's fine. In the library. You know what? My hand is the stop loss. Well, there you go. We're back to 330. So this little pink line is where we had all that resistance, right? So as long as we stay above it, that's okay. Um, but if you're selling anywhere above that in the green, you should be happy. Here we go, 337, 338. We're 2 cents away from that previous highs, which is good. And there it is. It's broken, 350. So 350 is that next resistance we talked about, right? We hit it and then came right back down. So we're going to need to break out again. CYTO, come on and break. CYTO, what does that spell? Monies. Anyways, Tesla? Dang, yeah, Tesla is on fire. Oh my goodness. I should have bought more Tesla. I don't see any news on Tesla. Yeah, Tesla is doing something completely different this morning. Tesla. Insufficiency. What's happening here, Tesla? Oh, Tesla looks like they had a price target upgrade. Maybe Tesla and maintain. Okay, well, we're gonna need to find the actual article here. So cut their companies invest in EV battery factories in Europe. Lucid, maybe it's because Lucid is doing well today, according to some of these articles. Tesla wasn't green. Tesla was gapping down this morning when I checked. That was 30 minutes ago. Tesla was gapping down. So from 30 minutes ago, what's happened? I don't know. Saudis probably. Look at that. It's the last 10 minutes. Tesla went from 168 something to almost 175. I don't see any news there. Anyways, let's go back to our favorite crazy stock into the open here. Our favorite crazy stock, CYTO. Again, resistance at 350. Be careful, please. 350, 350. Yep, Tesla said, ooh. Oh, yeah, I was going to remind you guys in Discord here for that 350 level. So, 350 resistance, be careful, please. That's your next resistance. Please, please, please. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Whatever Tesla is selling, pizza. Whatever Tesla is selling. Good morning, Lori. You're waiting for the dipskis? Okay. Yeah, there goes 350 hits exactly resistance and then back down to 318. So surprised? No, right? Whenever you get to resistance, there's a good chance that it's gonna sell off. A really good chance. Lucid looks like it hit the 200 and right back to the opening price. It's because Virus started buying the dipskis. Foxo still has resistance at 40 cents. DWAC is back to $40. And then some of these stocks are selling off on the left hand side here, which isn't too bad. Blah, 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 blah. Wow, Tesla. My goodness. Huh. Well, I mean, if you think about it, though, if you think about it, Harris, let's say yes. If you think about it, Tesla is one of these names that like sold off more than anything else, right? So even if the market is red today, it's fine that Tesla is gapping up, right? That's completely okay. Okay, let's go back to this one here. No, 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 no. Ooh, we Tesla. Should have bought some more Tesla. Should have bought some more Tesla. Emailed you pictures of your trading setup. Oh, you emailed me? Ooh. Oh, you know what's announces share repurchase GRWG? Oh, wow. Let me take a look at this one and then I'm going to take a look at that email. DWAC is at $41 now. GRWG just had news for they're buying back some shares, it seems like. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, this one was one of those on the cannabis watch list, right? So, uh, in order to move assets to CLSK, okay, you're selling the rest of your wolf, Josh? Okay. Look at DWAG go. DWAG does this every single day, though, for some reason. My goodness, Tesla. Tesla's gone mad. Tesla's gone mad. Tesla said, hey guys, covered calls. Finally, glad you did. Now it's pumping. Love it. Let's go, Mark. Well done. Yeah. No, yeah, I went to visit Pizza. Let's see here. This thing, nothing, nothing, no moving at all. MLGO is just going to the abyss, guys. Right? So yeah, potential buy zone. Yeah, I see what you're looking at, like 550 ish. Yeah, if we can find a way to start double bottoming from pre-market to consolidating and curling, that might be good. The only concern is that it's not giving us that curl yet. It's tanking. Yeah, it looks like we hit resistance, and that was it, wasn't it? So that level is not a big surprise, is it? Bernard, good morning. We had a supply zone there, the red zone, and we had a pink line there because it's something that's happened in the past, right? These pink lines are from like 2 years ago. So we must have watched this stock 2 years ago, and this level was a problem. Alrighty, so be careful. Well, hopefully you had a stop loss. You got out with profits. Good, R7. Good, good, good. So maybe now we come back and retest, that green zone at the bottom closer to 280 and then curl again, maybe, hopefully. Give us another rally. Yeah, all of these names are kind of crashing now. Crashing. Tesla still chilling at the top. These are 5 minute candles, by the way. So 5 minute candles. Anyways, let the market do whatever it's doing at the open. Relax, and then we should have new levels to watch. Alrighty, in at 7 cents, and then you got out at 9. Nice stuff. Very nice. Since Friday, went to almost 10 right for and hit your stop loss at 7. Mon, yeah, you should have taken those profits though, right? Especially when you're going into the weekend, right? On a rally like that, 70%, 80% into the weekend, you should have considered taking those profits. Tesla is now going the opposite way. Surprise! Not. Yeah, you should have considered taking those profits. Please. What levels are these? 32, 40, 50. Do, 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 do. Yeah, Luna just keeps going from red to green, red to green. I'm sure we're gonna again like Luna's gonna be one of those names that maybe no crazy runs, but I'm sure we're gonna talk about this thing for for a damn long time. Every time they announce a new mission, we're gonna be talking about, ooh, it's going for $10 again, ooh, $13 again. Especially if they don't need money. Especially if they don't need money to fund their stuff. This name is still on your watch list, isn't it, Pablo? AJ, AJ. It just doesn't have any volume yet, but I'm gonna watch that one closely because that name is very interesting. And yeah, Luna has gone back to green for the day, which is nice. Luna back to green for the day. You're in at 38 cents. Fox or the goats? Yeah. If it can break above 40 cents, you should be fine. It is Pablo, right? Yeah. Yeah, no, yeah. I put it up here this morning, and I'm gonna keep it on watch as well. Keep it on watch. No, 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 no. So yeah, if that thing can find a way to give us a break above 11 with some good volume and not a stupid spread, and then it becomes a potential play there. Anyway, surprise, surprise that this thing is selling off closer to 280. Not a big surprise. So let's see if CYTO can dip and then give us a curl. Yeah, an extreme light volume. It really is, Pablo. Like it's pretty stupid. That kind of turns you away, but still, if that thing starts to push up, I'm sure the spread might be a bit more appealing. We'll see. Yeah, GME reports earnings on tomorrow night. So GME Rumble on Wednesday. Again, not huge names this week, right? Just retail names. FRGE actually reports earnings tomorrow, so tomorrow night as well. Tomorrow night as well. Good morning, Joe. Let's get the futures. Friday was fun. Friday futures trading in Discord was a lot of fun. We took some time off on Friday, and we were in Discord. Uh, oh yeah, ES looks weak. Oh my goodness, and that was really good. That was good. Dan made crazy monies as usual. Yeah, Joe made crazy monies again as usual as well. Can't believe Dan made $10,000, but then again, Joe makes crazy monies as well. So crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, it looks like everything for the most part is dipping here. Dip skiing. Yeah, Luna doesn't move very much, but it looks nice. Yeah, you're up $3,000 at the moment. See, like these guys make crazy monies in the futures. Crazy monies, crazy monies. Don't worry, virus is just a matter of time before you open up another futures account. Just wait. Just a matter of time. Do, 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 do. Oh, I see. Okay. I see. No, no, no. Do, 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 do. Oh, okay. Uh, yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Yeah. If you next time you do it, virus, just do Apex because those guys have a lot of discounts. So you can get one of those accounts for like $30, and then just trade on Tradeovate. So you don't need to connect anything else. You can just do it on one platform. OCGN. Oh my goodness. OCGN. You know who was spamming OCGN this weekend in Discord? Mr. Joe. Spamming it. Anyways, $2 is your next resistance. You almost have like you have a triple top there. 195 lion. Yeah, four tops. Yeah, four. Um, I said triple tops because some of them look a little bit fishy, but four tops. See something, say something. See something, say something. Yes, please. Tesla has lost $2 of those gains. Yep, below 172, 173. Surprised? No. The S&P almost seems like it has a double bottom now. MLGO is going to the abyss. Oh my goodness, look at this. Right? No signs of curling. So, yes, this might be a stock that we're paying attention to. Yes, this thing was up 100% on Friday. Yes, it can go up hugely, bigly. But look at this damn thing. Market opens. What do you expect? A dip. Let me know when you see a curl. Do you see a curl anywhere, guys? Don't touch it. Below the 9, no curl. Don't touch it. Let it go to the abyss. Right? No signs. Zero. Below the 9, below the 9, below the blue line, below the blue line. Right? So again, we've said this multiple times. The only way you buy these crazy stocks into the open is if they're breaking out or they're giving you a nice dip and they're curling back up, right? No curl, straight to the abyss. So unless this thing curls at some point, look at these candles. So be careful, please. Yeah, the S&P is trying. CYTO is like, meh, you know what? I'm not going to curl either, right? Now we're just sitting below the 9 EMA. So, yes, you might think of like 280 as a level to watch for support. If it's not holding 280, though, don't touch it. Alrighty? Ooh, Luna looks nice still. Slow and steady, Luna. As soon as I look at it, it's like, ooh, go back into hiding. FSR is halted, what, at 0? I thought you were trying to help out Peter. Help out Pizza. Good morning, Queen. XTLB, I'll take a look. Yeah. XTLB. La, la, la. Yeah, that's not bad. That was a nice little breakout at 345, actually. Yup. Nice breakout. Yeah, it's hot. Gyro, it is. So it looks like now we filled at 450 ish, 445, 450. So that might be the next level to watch for the breakout. After candles like this, though, I'd like to see it sell off a bit, but it looks good. It looks good. Yeah, OCGN doesn't look too bad. Wow. Same resistance, $1.95. S&P pop 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 highs of the day. I bet you ES is popping now too. Yup, 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 yup. Yup, yup, yup. Yup. 10-cent scalp. Okay, nice. Tesla's going to be back to zero in no time. Not sure why it even gapped up in the first place, but not sure why. Oh yeah, XTLB is like, nope. Screw your red candles. That thing is not dipping at all. Congratulations if you're holding this thing. My goodness. This is why we want to see those breakouts at the open because, again, those breakouts bring volume, right? People are sitting around waiting for the name that's going to go boom, and then this breaks out, and then it goes boom skis. So there goes 460. No dip skis, 467, 468, 470, 472. In a bit of a dip. Wild. Are you about to buy 2 minutes ago? Yeah, that thing just said bye bye. 466. You know the dip is coming though. At some point. At some point. 268. It's always concerning though when you see massive green candles like these ones. Like this is a little bit different when it's when you're getting those candles, but it's approaching a known resistance level because if it breaks, you know that volume is gonna kick in. It's different when you're just sitting at the highs of the day like that. You're not quite sure. Yeah, 270. Just trying to. CIFR is pumping. Pumping. CFR. Mining. Interesting. Yeah, that was another pre-market breakout. $5, Jeff. That thing's been riding the blue line really well. On the left-hand side there. The blue line. So that's nice actually. That's really nice. um, yeah, looks like that thing finally came back to 488 actually, Justin. Interesting enough, like there's a white line from Friday that we had at 488. That's the level that it bounced at. I bet you this was the breakout from Friday for MLGO, wasn't it? If it can load. Anyways, that's a bit messy, so I'm not even gonna bother trying to. But yeah, we'll see. If it stays above that and consolidates, maybe you can send it to the moon. Yeah, Luna's back to the highs of the day. 650. Mm. If you're holding Luna, type in yes. Type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. Luna. I know some of you guys are diamond hunting Luna. Like, yeah, this is my long-term investment. You know what's annoying about Luna though? Yes. Wow. Yeah, what's annoying about Luna is that it goes up and it looks like it's about to go, but then it comes right back down in the next candle. So that part is a little bit annoying, right? Like it just keeps going back and forth, back and forth. But the damn thing looks nice though. Yeah, looks nice. Anyways, moving on. XTLB. Yeah, look at that crash. We're right back to $4 now. R7, right? Right back to the abyss. So it's different when you see that thing getting big candles, but it's breaking out, and it's way different when you see massive candles and it's like brand new highs. Because then you're not quite sure when it's gonna crash. You know what I mean? So yeah, just be careful with stuff like that. What a crash! Yup, exactly. So for now, if we can stay above 380 to $4, then that's not too bad. It just had to dip at some point. Had to. MLGO still just playing with the 9. You know what's crazy is the MLGO hasn't closed a candle above the 9 since $6.40. Actually, no. Yes, yeah, 650. Right. So if one of these candles can actually close above the 9, maybe that's a good thing. Did anybody get out? Hopefully. Uh, the 21 and turns. Okay, sure, sure. I wish I took that Luna position at $5. It is what it is. I keep coming back to look at AIRJ just in case, just in case. Why is the Montana Technologies? What do these guys actually do? It's an energy play. I wish it was something cooler, Pablo. And that looks the future of cooling one water systems. Reddit is okay. Interesting. Climate crisis, energy, blah 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 blah. Is that an IPO? No, well, no, it's a DSPAC. It's a DSPAC. Blah 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 blah. Wait, are these guys in the garage? These guys are in the garage, aren't they? Oh my goodness. This is the office. Oh my days. They couldn't find a better picture anywhere else? You could not find a better picture. A team of engineers and visionaries. What class team committed to saving the planet? A world class team committed to saving the planet. It's called Photoshop. No, they're in the damn garage. Yeah, in the garage. And this is the only picture you could find to put on your website? Oh my goodness. And then everything else seems so cool. Like look at the damn pictures. It's like, oh my goodness, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna save the planet. That's a hard no from me. Microsoft started in the garage. Are you kidding me? Where's the beers? I mean, I wish these guys. I wish they had a stock that was connected to something else like AI, something that isn't like independent. Like for a stock like this to run, the company is gonna need to have amazing news on their own. Like there's not a sector that's gonna save these guys. When a stock is running, you can't be like, oh, this is a sympathy play. No, like these guys are like, we want to save the planet. Who else is gonna do that? Anyways, and then they post a damn picture of a garage. What is this? There's a video here. Oh, look at this. They're like, this is how we're gonna save the planet. All they did was do Photoshop. Anyways, so this is how they're gonna save the planet by building the bridge. There's already bridges on the road. Things. Let me fast forward this. Okay, the sun is shining. You guys don't make the sun shine. Oh my goodness. Okay, whatever. I just wanted to look at the website. As soon as we pulled up the website, the stock went down. Oh my days. The stock said, wait, this is who, me? No, 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 thanks. But the good thing though is that they've done their thing. It's not very common though. It's not very common that this happens and the stock holds $10. So it's still something to watch. Nobody cares about the damn website if the stock is pumping already. Nobody cares. So for now, we keep it on watch. Luna keeps going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. CYTO still holding that little demand zone at 270, which is good. MLGO is back to retesting a double bottom at 485 ish. Let's see if we can stay above that level. XTLB is retesting the kernel and the VWAP, and it's holding. So 390. If we can stay above 390, you're in at $4. Okay, nice. Off 15 cents. Stop loss at 410 now. Good. Stop loss. Okay. Stop loss hits. Okay. There goes 420. So we came back to retest the VWAP, the kernel, all of that stuff, and then it's popping. There goes 330, 332. Ooh wee, 334. So retest and bounce 336, 340. My goodness, that's a nice retest. It's a very nice retest and a nice pop. Or even if the company was real. Exactly, Pablo. Exactly. Exactly. So if that thing, I'm not going to get rid of it just because the website is doo doo. So if that thing starts to do some nice things, we're going to run right to that stock in FOMO. You know that, right? We're going to run right there and say, ooh, FOMO. So for now, as long as it stays $10, it has to be a watch. Has to be. Alrighty. Okay, let's go back to XTLB here. Hey, yo, Tesh. Good afternoon. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. Okay. Checking all these other stupid plays here. Fox, so small position at 37, Jeff. Yeah, I think it's fine as long as it stays about 35 cents, Jeff. So make sure you put a stop loss. If that thing can clear 40 cents, I think you're going to be in business. Yeah, CYTO. Next report is today. Okay. Yeah, today. Next earnings report today. Yeah. So just be careful in case they decide to screw it up. So make your monies and leave it before the market closes. What's ES doing? My goodness, ES is stuck at the top. Let me pull up ES because futures. Unless you guys want to watch NQ. NQ was nice to watch last week. Like I've been scalping ES, but then I looked at NQ when we were doing the thing. We were watching NQ, and my goodness, NQ looked beautiful. Like you can look at NQ right there, and it's like, oh yeah, look at that resistance, right? You're like, oh yeah, resistance, a lot of resistance, a lot of resistance, right? You're like, oh yeah, resistance, and then you pull up ES, and I have ES on the other screen, so I know what it looks like. It looks like a double top. So today it looks a bit more predictable, right? Today it looks more predictable. There's a nice little double top there. Uh, yeah, it's ES. Yeah, no, that's fine. Uh, point three. Okay, to 662 mark. Okay, home sales. Look at XTLB. That was a really nice dip. There goes 450, 460 incoming. Going once, going twice, and rejected by Mark. Actually, sold almost. Anyways, so yeah, that was a nice retest and a curl. You can see the curl coming though. When you're watching these stocks, you can see the curl, right? Um, sell, 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 and then you can see the candles get smaller at a key moving average, right? And then you have a nice little doji right there, that candle, and then this candle closed above the nine, the blue line. The blue line is really important, really, really important, really, really important. David Ayo, really important. So yeah, be careful at 460 here. Yeah, Tesla looks like doo doos. Tesla looked like somebody threw it off the. Let me get rid of Tesla there. No need to watch that trash. I'm kidding. Anyways, yeah, Reddit is back to $50. So 46 back to $50. That's not too bad. Not bad at all. ES is retesting the top there. So Joe, you're going long. You think ES is gonna break out? Trying to thrust the double top, maybe. It's a lot of resistance though. Lots of resistance. Yeah, let's see what happens. See what happens. You're at the window. Okay, you're just waiting for now. Yeah, I almost want to go. I almost want to go shorts. Waiting at the window too. Pizza. Hmm. Interesting. Ooh, Luna looks nice. Luna just broke out. Luna's at 660 now. Yup, Luna looks nice. Luna looks very nice. Oh, dang, Luna. Don't squeeze all at once. 664. So let them go to the moon, please. Let them go to the moon. La 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 la. And said, "Go away from the window." Here we go. Yeah, ES looks like it's like it wants. It's trying for the breakout. Trying for the break. The breakout. Nah, nah, nah. Let's see. Yeah, that thing is gone. Look at that. You should have formed back in R7. XTLB. As soon as that candle closed above the blue line, that was magic. Magic. Highs of the day. Magique. C'est la magique. Ooh, look at that. 490. 490. Uh, c'est la magique. Ooh. Yeah, you should have formed. You lost $7. Okay, CYTO. Yeah, the safest spot for CYTO is close to 270 as possible, so you can just get rid of it. BTC, yeah, BTC is at 60, 68.4 now, which is amazing, right? So we needed to break above that level. If we can close above 68 for Bitcoin, I think rally on. That chart I posted in Discord over the weekend. That little post there. True. Uh, what you call a good day and a bad day? What do you mean? What do you mean? We're back to 490. 490. 1030. Okay. Reddit is going. Yeah. Let me pull up. Yeah, Reddit is almost at $51 there. The S&P also looks nice. Reddit. Yeah, Reddit is pumping. 51. Highs of the day. Oh, these are 5-minute candles, by the way. So that's why it seems a bit slow. But yeah, Reddit looks really nice. That's off the 50-minute chart. Okay. 24, 50. Okay. 50, 58, 24. Okay, I see. Nah. That thing looks like it wants to keep going, doesn't it? Up, up, up. 52.84. 52.84. Okay, I see what you're looking at. Yep. Z50. Z50. Anyways, Reddit is almost at 52 now too. 52. There goes the S&P. SPY, new highs. Yes, highs. Dog, hats, cats, rats going. Is that a coin now? Like all the names? No way, bunny. Hmm. Let it chop because I don't think it would just flush. Okay. Yeah, they always do that. Always. Oh yeah, that's a nice push. Maybe we come back for the retest. Joe, you're not long yet. That was a nice breakout, Joe. That was a nice breakout. Yeah. Pizza went long. Pizza is smiling. Nvidia 1000. Why? Because you're holding Nvidia or what? Oh, bunny, I see. Mm, 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 mm. La, la, la. $3. Yeah, again, CYTO, the safer play is 270. So it's bounced off 270. There's a little bit of resistance now. Right below $3. The VWAP and the downtrend are just in. So you prefer the pullback? Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see if we get a pullback then. See if we get a pullback. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Um, yeah, 96. Yeah, 96 is the yeah, that's the level. Yeah, yeah, keep sticking it. Yeah, it's like one penny right below. It's again, it's because you have the downtrend and the VWAP sitting there. That's the problem. Yeah, no, Reddit looks really good, guys. It's on the right hand side here. 51.25. Maybe maybe we get a pullback here, Joe. Maybe, perhaps, perhaps, perhaps. Testing, testing. That thing came back to 420. My goodness, look at these drops. Yeah. Nah, 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 nah. That's your entry. Your entry is 85. Interesting. Interesting. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Cat's it's stalling there a little bit now. Stalling a little bit. Just a little bit. It wants to play games. Yeah, no, it looks like Bitcoin is doing really well. So, oh, look at that! Look at that breakout for ES. Yeah, as soon as that thing broke out, boom skis, boom skis, and there's Joe shorting it. Yeah, it's tanking now. Yeah, look at that resistance though, right? That little downtrend up there, it's a problem, right? That wasn't the first time. Look to the left hand side. One right there, right? One, two, and then three, and then it said nope. Right back to 270 again. So let's see if we can stay above this the bottom. The low of the day is 260. Ooh, it just made new lows. Ew. Ew, brother. Ew. So that no look good. Reddit looks good though. Luna with the dipski there. AIRJ is still just sitting there. And then XTLB is also still dipping. Still dipping. Mm, mm, mm. Late to the party. It's okay. La 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 la. Forming a base, about to curl. Yeah, maybe this time we can form a higher low. Above the VWAP, 618 ish. 618. If not, we're gonna come all the way back down to $4, Justin. Yeah. So maybe for now, just watch this demand zone. Anywhere above like $2.50, which is the last level we bounced at for CYTO. Let's see if we can stay above that. Again, you guys know how much I hate stocks that give you new lows after the market opens, So just watch this whole green area here. If we break below that and we somehow test and break below the 200, then that thing's done. Send it to the trash. Alrighty? Throw it in the trash. Please and thank you. Yeah, the S&P still doesn't look too bad. Not bad at all. Are you still in that short, Joe? Still in that short position? Hopefully that thing doesn't break out there. It always looks like it wants to. Nah, 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 nah. You think it's done now? It might be. Yeah, it might be. I mean, the fact that it's still just the fact that it's still yeah, the fact that it's like it broke below that bottom, it's like it's never a good sign for me at least. I don't like stuff like that. So I do not like stuff like that. Oh, did you see that little scam candle, Joe? Joe panicked a little bit. Yeah, yeah, no, just kind of watching on the left hand side. Yeah, I went below. Yeah, what's this demand zone? So $4 to 390. That's the last level we bounced at. So no signs of curling yet. You notice the difference between this and the last time we bounced? It's not the same, right? Not the same. So we're gonna need to curl at some point. These candles are still kind of bigly, huge. Dang, that would have been a that was a yeah. Yeah, it's looking weak now, Joe. Looking weak. Yeah, this last candle made Joe panic a little bit. It's like, ooh, breakout, 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 and then dipski. And then dipski. 69 BTC, send it. Almost seems like BTC is nice and connected to the markets today. Lorenda. Yeah, 69. Beautiful, right? Again, if you look at BTC on the daily, the 4 hour, it looks really good the way that it's been holding above the 60, right? It just had to clear this 68. So if it stays above 68 and closes above 68, forget about dipskis. Because is gone. Is gone. Yeah, you're getting some nice lower highs with Joe. Some nice lower highs. Doo-doo. Why the gas is so high? Okay, you added two more, Joe. Okay, sounds good. Joe's like, I believe, guys, I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think of, anyways, 69 and healthy. Yeah, yeah, no, it looks healthy. Again, these are 5 minute candles. So you can see how beautiful these 5 minute candles are, right? Slow and steady, one ahead of the other. One ahead of the other. AMD is impressive. Then again, all these chip names have been impressive. So it looks like we are holding that demand zone for XTLB for now. Again, 390 to $4 holding again, right? So demand zone is holding. What's Luna doing here? Luna came back down. Yeah, Luna just keeps going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. AIRJ isn't doing anything. So again, nothing wrong with that. But not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, let's go back to ES. ES. It's holding the 9, isn't it? On I think this is the 1 minute time frame. It's holding the 9. Oh, there you go, Joe. That thing looks like it's about to get NSAT. ES. Uh ES. Uh Signs of a curl. Okay. Yeah. Anything in this demand zone, maybe, Justin? Right. Anything slightly above 250 might be okay. Only concern is that you're still sitting below the 9, so maybe now watch 260 if it stays above it. Yeah, a little doji. Yeah. And it's losing that doji. But yeah, so just watch. Yeah, look at that. That blue line is acting as a problem. As a big problem. Dang, ES is fighting that 9 EMA. It's fighting it, Joe. It's like, nope, Joe shall not win. He shall not win. So maybe another retest of the top there. We'll see. We shall see. Lucid hasn't been above the 9, not once. Straight down below the 200 in a demand zone though, but $3 still weak. And obviously we haven't really talked about FLGC, right? I'm gonna say this every morning till the ends of time. Is I hate when a stock gives me a bottom like this and then it goes up and then it breaks below this bottom. I don't like it. don't want to touch it, don't want to see it, don't want to smell it, uh, throw it in the garbage, right? Because the chances are when it does that, it's going to give you another low and then it's going to break down, and then it's give you another low and then it's going to break down. So looks like it's retesting this high now. But yep. Joe says, "Oof." Oh yeah, ES just popped. My goodness. Yeah. Right. Look at that. Look at that blue line. That damn blue line. It just kept holding above it and then pop, 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 pop. Joe. So yeah. Peter says, "Uh oh." Joe still believes that it's gonna crash. Joe wholeheartedly believes that ES is gonna crash, even though ES is like, nope, 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 nope. You're short, Peter? Oh my days. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Yeah, it does look like scammy candles though. The way that it just randomly pops, right? Yeah, it's losing like the upper part of that. So we'll see. Us together, we are unstoppable. Well, unstoppable. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what it does. The fact that it's losing all of that on that wick is a good thing. La 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 la. 196. OCGN. OCGN. We might have to zoom out. OCGN broke $2. My goodness. Wow, look at that. This is why Joe was getting all excited. All excited. Huh, interesting. When you look at this, technically you're looking for $2.20. Um yeah, 220, 250, and then you're looking for $3 is what you're looking for there. Yeah, Bitcoin is pumping 69 for BTC. Yeah, right, Justin? Yep. Yeah, Joe's been getting all excited. All excited. It's you. Let's go, Crystal. Yeah, no, OCGN looks really good. Luna came back for the retest. Interesting. Very interesting. Yeah, yeah. ES came back down. So the all those wicks at the top, they're starting to look very scammy. Very scammy. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Uh, Joe? No, no, you're not. Go at your own risk. Yeah, no, Peter should be back to break even at least. And now it's fighting to go back up. Yeah, it almost seems like we're just getting higher lows now, doesn't it? We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. OCGN new highs of the day. CM, well done. Good job. Just keep moving that stop loss as usual, right? MLGO looks like like rubbish. Luna doesn't look too bad. CYTO still holding that same bottom there, Justin. So that's not too bad. I'm gonna leave it on. Let's see what this one does here for a second. You went short again. Okay. Well, hopefully you're not losing though, right? Oh, okay, cool. Let me. Does that say Wednesday? Let me take a look. Anyways, I'll come back to that in a second. Come back in a second. Wednesday at 11. 10. Uh, Let's schedule. Perfect. Uh, the 27. Uh, Wednesday. Perfect. Yeah, the 50. Yeah, looks like we came back down for from ES. Came back down. Yeah, XTRB looks like it's finished, right? So that blue line is very, very important. Very important, right? There's always a difference between like dipping and consolidating above like the corridor right there and crossing the line versus like just dipping, consolidating, and not crossing anything, right? So not no two dips are the same. No two dip skis are the same. Interesting. Okay. No two dip skis are the same. Yeah, it's retracing. Let me go back to ES. Yeah, now we're actually sitting below the 9 really nicely and below the kernel and below the 20, Joe. So maybe, yeah, you 8? You have eight shorts now? Oh my goodness, Joe. 8 contracts? Uh, yes. Yes, yes. Ooh, A Jordan had a nice little pop there. Nice little pop. Yeah, the bits are still, let me take a look at this actually. The bits. Yeah, 345. Yeah. One time code. Ooh, ES dropped a little bit more. Yeah, look at that. Oh, ES is getting entered now. You're out slightly below the 50. Okay, you're taking profits. Yeah, let's see what happens on. Yeah, that might just be a retest of the previous break there. So you're taking those profits though, Joe. Yeah, that might be a good plan. It's bouncing up to 50ish. That's an aggressive bounce. Yeah, as soon as we hit that retest, so that the retest of the last breakout, like the left hand side breakout right there, retest, and then bounce. So let's see. Okay. Any news on OCGN? No. No news. No news. La, la. That thing said you're weak. You're weak. Yeah, let's see what happens with this candle here. Let's see. It's losing the vibes. It's gonna break down. Yeah, there's a nice little bottom there actually. What is it gonna do? It's like you're weak. Choo, choo, choo. Yes, please. Let's see. 200 insights. 200 insight. That thing just went to the abyss. That thing said, "Yup, yep." Breakdown. Said breakdown. Choo, 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 choo. Peter, you were in a short. Congratulations. Well done. You just passed the eval, didn't you? Wow, congratulations. 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 Yeah, it has a bit more volume now. Well, not necessarily. Not necessarily. There's some interesting wicks at the bottom there, Joe, because it's closing those candles above. So let's see if that candle turns green there. That was fun, right? Are you out of the position? Okay, you took the monies. Okay, good job. Good job. Good job. Two. Short closed. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to bounce there. Shorts closed. Yeah, let's see what that candle ends up doing there. All over the place. All over the place. Yeah, good job on closing that short there, by the way. Otherwise, you'd be back to almost like break even now. Be back to break even. Let's go. My heart went into my stomach with then back up again. Let's go. But stupid Instagram videos put you back in. Yeah, Peter, just change the way you play with it. You pass them. Don't do the three. I mean, like, don't do the crazy stuff, Peter. Seriously, not kidding. Not kidding. That's sweet, Joe. I like the way you stagger those two, and then you take profits. That's nice because I think most people just go all in, right? All in and then all out. Well, you guys. Yeah, Peter, you're done now, right? So no, I think Joe has a whole bunch of accounts though. Keep that in mind. Like Joe will pass an account and then leave it and then go open a brand new one and then go crazy and then open another one and then another one and then another one and then another one and then another one. Watch trading. It lags at least for you. Yeah, it does. It does. I have the other screen open there, Dan. So then I am looking at it on TraderVate, and then I just have it on here for you guys to see. But yeah. Luna came all the way back down. Luna is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. KULR. Are you in it, Louis? I once a mansion and a Lambo. No, don't do that, pizza. Do you start with $50 a day for you especially? Start with $50 a day. My goodness, Tesla's such a scam. Tesla went all the way up from 168 to 175 and then came back down to 169. What a stupid thing. Such a scam. They should like take all the Tesla cars and send them to like Nigeria or something and then turn them into like taxis. Rip the doors out. Self-driving taxis cuz that's where they belong. I'm kidding. Not kidding. Don't worry about my future. Uh, oh my goodness. Wait, what's the 52-week low in this year? 14. How's that 49? Interesting. Okay. Uh, for DWAC SEC filing of deal closing, Pablo. Okay. Well, you missed did we miss a short on ES? Oh yeah, we did. That little candle that went to test the downtrend. Yeah, that was a short. Dang. Yeah, that was a lower high short there. Hmm. I can smell more future streams coming in the future. The fact that we talked about futures all Friday and then we come back on Monday and we're still talking about futures, but that's also because like nothing's really happening with the markets though, right? So it's not a whole lot happening. So maybe we rotate to futures. Maybe. Let's see. If you're still watching CYTO, 260 is holding. KK. MLGO 470 holding. A Jordan, A Cannabis looks okay. We need more volume here. There's only 2,000 shares, but it's still on watch because it's fighting. And if that thing breaks out, it might be fun. We'll see. XTLB again, another case of of a stock breaking below the blue line and crashing. Look at the blue line, right? Look at that blue line. Below the blue, below the blue, below the blue, and nothing happening. So the blue line is very, very, very important. Very important. Activation fee, please and thank you. Peter, do the 100. Do the 100, Peter. Don't do the 150. Not financial advice. Do the 100. Especially if you have a history of blowing up these accounts. Don't do the 150. Just do the 100. It seems like it's $100 a month. You're not getting to 2 days. You haven't been past 2 days. Like the activation fee. Yeah, the 100. Yeah, do the 100. You know, um, on a good day. Yeah, exactly, Joe. Like an extra $50 for the activation fee seems like an extra scam, especially if most people blow the damn accounts. Eating at a gas station, eating a gas station burrito and driving all at the same time. Yeah, it was nice to yeah. know that, but pizza, that's such a scam though, right? $100 lifetime. You're not even making it to 2 days. What about like, why would you do a $150 for a lifetime? And if you're consistently making monies for 30 days, pizza, you can give them $100 a month. You're like, here you go, take it, $100 a month. $100 a month. It doesn't matter. That's one trade out of 30. Well, out of 20 trades for you, right? What's another $50? Another $50 is another activation account if you blow it. No, no, no. Yeah, no, Mike, it's slow today, right? XXTLB slow. BTC looks beautiful. The S&P is dipping. OCGN done really well, but it's dipping. CYTO consolidating. It looks better now. CYTO, MLGO consolidating. Everything seems a little bit slow. Exactly, Pizza. Right? You have a history of not making it past 2 days, so lifetime doesn't matter. You out 276? Okay, 276. Yeah, that's not bad at all, right? Nice green zone at the bottom there, Justin. Yeah, and it's trying to break, so not bad. What's ES doing here? Still at the bottom? Yeah. Yup. 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 Looking weak. Looking weak, ES. Na, 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 na. Looking weak. Uh, Interesting. How about OCGN, Kevin? I don't know. Ask Joe. Ask Joe, Kevin. Please and thank you. Anyways, yeah, I think it's because last week we had the Fed meeting. This week it's a short week, so Friday is a holiday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then market closed on Friday. Okay, okay. So I don't show up on Friday and be like, but how come nothing's moving? Bitcoin is going to be moving. So yeah. Na, 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 na. ES is bouncing off the same bottom there, Joe. Off the same bottoms. Other than that, anything else happening here? Yeah, yeah. KULR has done well. Done well. Let me pull that thing up. KULR. Yeah, nice rally. It's dipping now, so watch the 20 there and the chrono. 30 cents. 30 cents. April the 2nd. Dividend CLRO. Yeah, I would just play that thing into the dividend and then run away. Dividends on penny stocks are scams. Uh, yeah. You should have gone back in, Joe. Should have gone back into that thing. Should have FOMOed back in. Is Luna just gonna play games here again? Yeah, it is. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Back and forth, Luna. Yeah, exactly. Way too often, Bond, we see these names, hype into the divvy and then crash on the day of the dividend. So you don't want to be holding bags. MLGO looks like it bounced off that demand zone. 316. Yeah, I think yeah. So 320 was the one that I had, and then $3, and then $3. Yeah. But again, you look at this, Justin. This was the first time that we consolidated after the open, right? Market opens and then we dip below the nine, close, and then we finally consolidated at the bottom and in the demand zone and then bounced. So that consolidation is huge after the sell-off. Huge. Oh, yeah, ES is hitting new bottoms there. Yeah, EMAs. Yeah, exactly. Really important. Yeah, looks like CL, not CL, KULR still holding 30 cents. Can we get a squeeze, please, on something? Can something squeeze? $1 after their penny stock dividend. I don't know why these companies bother, Justin. I don't know why they bother. I don't know why. Yeah, still sus. Yeah, it is. MNY highs of the day. Also C K. I keep calling it a C. KULR is bouncing up 30 cents, so 33 cents almost there. Let me leave OCGN behind, please. Let me take a look at MNY. Yeah, not bad at all. Yeah, Money Hero. Uh, like SGD, safe and green. Yeah, don't trust these things. Don't trust them at all. The only thing you trust here, Justin, the breakouts, right? Break right there, another breakout, and this one broke out, rallied, and then came back down. No, 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 no. Back to ES. Yeah, it's testing the 200. Then maybe we finally found a bit of a bottom. Maybe we finally found a bit of a bottom there, and then a bounce. Yeah, oof, that's a nice candle. That's a nice candle. Interesting. Check out the futures channel. Who I've been slacking on looking at who made monies today. My name is Useless Good. I'm reaching out to share my passion and ambition. Needs your support. Help me grow. You know what? I should go donate 69 cents. Rubbish. Unbelievable. And there goes your dipski. There goes your dipski. 69 cents pizza. Scalped and a lap. And 600 and QQQ. Let's go. Need some crashes. Let's go, Mark. I'm glad. See, it's easier when the market has a direction, Mark. Right. So it's not you. It's just when the market is doing stupid things like up, down, up, down. It makes it really complicated for everybody, every single body. So yeah, not just everybody, Marks. Everybody. Everybody. Yeah. 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 Backstreet. Keeps gravity at bay. Yeah, it does. It does. That's what Peter needs to do. 45 cents a day, not $400 a day. Useless nyash. Next thing you know, he's gonna go all in again. All in. 197. UCGN. No. Oh my goodness! Did you actually donate to that? Oh my goodness! Let me. Oh, this is for Peter's. This is for Peter's funding. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. That's okay. Okay, I see. Yes. uh, and turn my passion into a profitable career isn't just mastering a craft, learning. Oh my goodness, Peter actually wrote a nice thing. Oh wow! At least for this effort, Peter deserves some donations. Investing high quality. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna post this in the chat. Okay. I thought Peter was. I'm gonna post it in the chat. That's fire. I like it. I like it a lot. Good job, Peter. Good jobs. Let's see what's happening over here on these silly names. Nothing. Okay. Everybody. Yeah. It was supposed to be a joke. I know. Yeah. I know. Uh, what's the everybody? Yeah. Rock your body. Yeah. Uh, all right. Let's go, Dad. Let's go. La. Uh, yeah. Uh, use cookies. Go figure. Did you give him a donation, Mike? Did you give him a donation? Become a supporter, Mike. So, Luna's crushing. Ooh, Luna said, "Yeah, not today, guys. Not today. Today we go down." Anyways, yeah, we'll see what Luna does. For sure, it's gonna be a watch. So maybe we test the bottom at the demand zones then. Again, this is why I hate when a stock creates a low and then goes below that low. No, Peter is funding our futures account. Yeah, that was a nice bounce for ES there. Okay, don't forget to smash a like if you haven't already, guys. Please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and if you're not a member yet, uh, Uh, my filters blocked it already. It's a scam. Oh my goodness. La, 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 la. Yeah, all these stocks just seem to be dipping now. All of them. Has been halted for an hour now, Alex. I bet you it's because something's going on. This is why you want to be very careful with these stupid things, FSR. Like when a company says, "Oh, we might go bankrupt," it's because uh, so it's almost whether stocks with a car maker falls through. Yeah, right. So these guys are in trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. Trouble, trouble, trouble. This is the 25th. Yeah, this is today. Okay, fine, Peter. I'll give you a refund. Halted. So halted. Pending news shortly after Monday's open. That potential industry deal fell through. Discussion with a big car maker about a potential transaction. Noticed that the company has terminated the negotiations. Alternatives minus 29%. At the time of the la mentioned the la 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 Monday la 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 scam scam. Anyways, yeah, be careful with this stuff unless you're only putting a little bit of money in there. Yeah, yeah. So just be careful. He says he doesn't know. Yeah, with the you're gonna be off today with the trainee writing with you. Oh, so you're not allowed to trade today? Oh my goodness. Joe has a passenger today, so he won't be able to make any trades. No trades for Joe. No trades for Joe. That's okay. Maybe I just need to set an alert for this thing. Actually, I set it. Well, actually, it's the same spot. It's bouncing, Lewis. Okay, good. Yeah. Yup. Yeah, you have a little bit of resistance at 35 cents, but as long as 30 cents holds, you're fine. And then let me take a look at OCGN. Can't believe we've looked at OCGN a whole bunch of times this morning. Yeah, it looks nice. Came back for $1.90 and then back to 210. Yeah, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Almost back to that same resistance there, Joe, for ES, but you're in timeout now. So isn't that crazy, Dan? Hmm. Crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah, OCGN looks nice. So congratulations, congratulations. Congratulations. Game over, Will. Yeah, unless they find a different deal, but yeah. And when a company says bankruptcy, you want to be very careful. Be very, very careful. Yeah, yeah. Doo-doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo. 2x version of coin, 20%. Mm. I've never looked into that one, Wes. Corn L. Maybe something to look at then. Something to look at. uh, nah, 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 nah. Yeah, BTC needs to get back above 70, and then everybody's gonna smile again. Smile again. But yeah, BTC has a nice looking chart. Really nice looking chart. A really nice looking chart. Maybe the volume is slowly coming in. Pablo, are you still in the chat for AIRJ? But no movement yet. No movement yet. So for now, again, we wait. Oh yeah, Curl is doing well. I'm gonna zoom in on this one here. 37 cents. $14 for OCGN. Yeah, that was when COVID was around, Kevin. That's when they were like, "Oh, we have this COVID vaccine in India. It's been approved in India. It's going to be approved by the FDA." The stock went from like the abyss to $14, and then the FDA said, "Who? Where? Who's India? Where's India? Oh, no thanks. No thanks." There goes 38 cents. 39. Yup, looks good. Hi, I'm Eric. How are you today? Are you making any money moves? Yes, Mr. Max, Mr. Eric. Yes. Anyways, moving on. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. Uh, yes. The bottom looking for a 205. Unfortunately, you're in at 225 for BCAN. Okay. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how that thing. It doesn't help though, Kimbella, that all these names are selling off today. Yeah, those things are weak. Anyways, 69, 666. Yeah, the crypto watch list looks nice and green today. Nice and green. Nice and green. Sweet. Ooh, is that ES? Oh wow. That was the bottom, wasn't it? It's a nice push. A very nice push. Hmm. Maybe I should pull up NQ actually. Even though NQ is a maniac. It's interesting how even Joe doesn't like playing with NQ though, Dan, isn't it? Very interesting. Uh, Joe likes ES. ES. Let's see if this becomes a double top. Still some room to go to the upside, but Joe isn't professional enough to play with NQ. Yes. Has a nice looking chart if you like. If you look at it upside down. Oh, there's Justin. Oh my goodness, Justin. Where's that? Where's Pablo? If you look at it upside down. KULR failed at the double top, so 39 cents. It's for the big boys. Only Dan plays with that. Only Dan plays with NQ. Anybody else play with NQ? Only Dan. Dan is like, I'm a big boy. I'm an island boy. Yeah, Lynn and Joy. Yeah. Yep. 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 Yep, yep, yep. Na, 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 na. TQQQ, what about it? Let me go look. Yeah, time for meetings. Pizza. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Enjoy the meetings. Well, see you later. TQs. Yeah, it looks good. TQQQ has done really well actually. You have a little bit of resistance coming up, but yeah, it's done really well. Really, really well. I bet you SQQQ is getting close to a demand zone. Yeah, close to a double bottom there. 1934. 1934, yeah. So if SQQQ can stay about that level, not too bad. If it goes one penny below that level, though, meh, meh. Yeah, so sometimes you take that 1 cent gamble. You're like 34, a risk stop loss at 33. Yeah, are you done with TQQQ, Mark, or you're still in it? Still in there like swimwear? In it like swimwear. Na, 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 na. Almost 23 cents you didn't, yeah. Setting up for a move, Dale. Yep, 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 yep. You're sitting on diamond hands. That's fine. Yeah, today's a bit sus. There's little scalps all over the place, Mike. But overall, it's a bit sus. So there's no need for you to force anything. Don't force anything. Yeah, it looks like we almost double topped and then sold off for ES. Double top and sell off. Question now though is, do we get a higher low? Or do we go all the way back to the abyss? No, me too. Yeah, 1,000% scalp. Yeah. Yup, yup, yup. Maybe I'm not, and I got back in and kicking myself. 1,000% scalp. No, 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 no. Me too. I wanted to see some of those split names rally this week, but it doesn't look like any of them are moving. So that's fine though. I'm sure we're gonna keep track of them as the week goes on, anyways, because they just split on Friday. I was surprised to see like MLGO pop on Friday immediately. I was hoping that thing would give us. Also, why haven't these guys done an offering? Just do an offering, get it out of the way, and then pump it. But they haven't. They haven't. So we shall see. Zura. What's Zura doing? Let me take a look. Zura. Zura highs. Ooh, look at Zura go. My goodness, dang. Sheesh. I don't see any news for this stock, but look at that push. Zura was one of these SPACs, these SPACs that Kevin shorted. Kevin shorted this damn thing at like $20, and it went to $100 or something. And then he was sleeping outside because his wife kicked him out. He's like, the wife was like, "Don't come back until you make this money back." And then Kevin was outside for a week, and it went from $30, which I think is kind of the price that he shorted at, all the way to $80, and then came back to the abyss, and then he sold it, and then he went back inside, and then the damn stock crashed to $2, obviously. But yeah, Zura is ripping them, ripping. Nice. Yeah, he made the money back. He made the monies back. Kevin, say hello in the chats. Uh, Kevin is hiding. Anyway, so yeah, 310 resistance there for Zura. 310 resistance. Resistance. And, let me go back to that article Pablo posted here. The agencies. La, 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 la. Okay. Uh, Okay, sounds good. La, la, la. I'm just reading one of these articles here. Uh, After it works with next minute imprint 56 in 2023 on slightly 5.5. The company ended the year with increased came from XS7. Okay, through the year. Okay, no additional wins. The company argued that several could come as soon as several to win additional contracts. Several could come as soon as the second quarter, such as select the company and establish. Okay, sounds good. Starting to generate revenue by 1 month of work on the contract last year. Set the average monthly revenue that okay. In the box. We are working very closely to put the project back in the box and get it. Okay, sounds good. Updates. Detected signals. Okay, sounds good. To answer your question, okay, you sold it. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. You took 4 shorts. Okay. 4 shorts. 4 shorts. Yeah, 85. You're in already. Okay, 52.85. Let me take a look. 52. Oh, you're a little bit lower than Joe. So you're kind of red in that position for now. 52.85. Yeah, you're red in that position for now. Maybe not so much. Not so much after that little divski there, but maybe not so much after that. Come on, crash it, Joe. Crash it. Crash it. Send it to the abyss. Send it to the abyss, Joe. 40 cents. Yeah. A nice little higher low now too, Justin. President Trump bonds are reduced to 450 million to 175. With oh wow, okay, 175. Okay, 175 million. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Oh yeah, that thing's going for it. 38 cents. 38 cents. Hmm, 38 cents. Let's see. Wait, what was that? Uh, okay, I just need to close out all of these. Okay, there we go. 35 stop loss at 38. Okay, nice. Your stop loss hit at 38 cents. Okay, very nice. CYTO looks like it's back to that same dead zone, right? It's consolidating above the 200 now. Consolidating, consolidating. Yeah, SQQQ looks like it's finding a bit of a base there. If the market dips, that could be nice. Yeah, so 1034. FLGC plans to expand leading global genetics business in Germany. Okay, looks like all these companies. La, 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 la. I'm sure you guys have a. Yeah, that thing is back to 40 cents, Justin. KULR. Astro. There it goes. Let me send you this article actually. Skip. Maybe they're okay. They are okay. Maybe. Yeah, it hit 40 cents. Yeah, it broke above 40 cents for a second. No, actually, exactly 40 cents. I don't know if your order would have failed though, Justin, just because sometimes when this stuff hits 40 cents, it hits, but it doesn't actually fail the orders. So then you're just playing with fire. Did you add more to your short position, Joe? Just holding for short. I thought you were out for today. Yeah, happy days, exactly. There goes 41 cents. If this thing hits 50 cents, you're not going to be so happy. You're still in four? Okay. Yeah, if we break down there, you might add more, but maybe more. Uh, 40. Okay, sounds good. Watching a Momo and these candles. Okay, sounds good. Do you ever take a loss though, Joe? I think it's 41.50. Because I know you add more and then you add more and you add more. Is there a point where you're like, you know what, this trade isn't working as I wanted it to, so I'm just gonna close it for a small loss or for a medium loss, or That means the next candles are pivoting. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, it's fighting for now. Fighting the fights. It's fighting something. All the damn time. Okay. Okay, sounds good. You added two more. Speaking of adding, just like, yep, I'm adding more shorts. Yeah, that thing breaks down there. It's gonna be nice. Will it break down though? That's the question. Still holding up there. This one still looks fishy. Zura sold up below the 9. KULR doesn't look too bad still. SQQQ is curling up that 1034, so that's not too bad. ES looks like it's about to go to the abyss, but yup. And we're back below 40 cents. Next candle. Mm-mm. I don't want to see a preview. Mm-mm. Hmm. Interesting. No, no, no. Uh, no, you're fine still, Joe. You should be green still on your shorts or break even. They want to enter me. No, it is holding somewhat of a higher low though, Joe. That's the concern there, isn't it? It's like, is that a higher low? It looks like a higher low, kind of. Hmm. They want me to squeeze. Yeah, it does look like a higher low. Interesting. They might test you. They might test your patience on this one. Not without some. Yeah, always. Yeah, it never just goes down like that, does it? It's always testing. Always testing. Are you playing, Dan, or you're just watching for now? No, 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 no. Yeah, maybe one fat green candle, and then flush it, and then flush it. Do do do. You're scalping. You're scalping NQ. Okay. You have 8 shorts now. Oh my goodness, Joe really wants the damn thing to go to the abyss, doesn't he? Yeah. He's like, come on, crash, crash, crash. I mean, it looks like it wants to. Oh, here you go, Joe. Yeah, let me go back to the ES chart. It's fighting, fighting. They're fighting. They're like, come on, let's test Joe. Let's test him. Azura? Okay, sounds good. I'm buying 4 Bitcoin in the next few weeks. So, given previous cycles, what do you think it could possibly do? If you're buying 4 Bitcoins, well, your best bet is to scale in, please. Scale in, please, and thank you. Scale in, scale in, scale in, please, and thank you. Just because that question could be a dangerous question. A dangerous question. Mm, Let's see here. Do, 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 do. What the hell? Wait, what? For some reason, my stuff isn't working. Hmm. Yep, that's for sure not working. Why is it like that? No, are you sure you would like to close? Don't like that. Oh yeah, look at that candle, Joe. Look at that candle. Yeah, that thing consolidated at the VWAP. It almost looks like a higher low. Yup. Hmm. Don't like the way my stuff is not working today. Yeah, they're gonna test. They're gonna test you. Test to the max. Look at the damn scams. I'm like, Joe, you want a short? I didn't hear no bell. Yep. Hmm. You would be CLSK? Fine. No, it's just the like just the way the orders are getting like the it's not working. Like my future stuff, like if I click open position, it doesn't open. It doesn't open, Josh. It's different. CYTO is still just relaxing here. Still just relaxing there. Uh Timing the market vastly outperforms timing the market. Yeah. Yes. I agree. I absolutely agree. I absolutely agree. Let me test that out, see how that works. See how that works. Still not working as I would want it to, though. Hmm, Interesting. Time in the market. I'm not giving up. You want 20? Oh my goodness, Josh. All these criminals. Uh, does that say cancel bids? Oh, that's why. Okay, I see why my stuff wasn't working though. Oh, that's why. Okay. User error. Okay. You're in at $5. I'll take a look. I'm buying up the dips, Josh. Very nice. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. It will flush below the 200. It's close. Very close. Let me go back here. Yeah, if that thing breaks below the 200, which I don't think we've done today, that's pre-market. So we keep bouncing up the 200 there, Joe. So if it flushes below, yeah, then send it to the grave. Joe's praying, 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 praying. Okay, so it's still just going sideways there. It's called the idiot error. No, that's not what it's called. That's when you don't like yourself. You can call it that. No, 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 no. Let's see. What's Zura doing? Yeah, Zura's doing really well, isn't it, Kevin? Justin. Yeah, almost back to $3. Almost back to $3. Hmm. No, no, no. Not sure. Uh, was it April 1st? Maybe more, something like that. Something like that. What's the S&P doing here, though? Let me take a look. Let me see some of these other. Oh, that's it. 1075. Hmm. Let me see. It might just be a glitch here. Might just be a glitch. Or okay, that's an interesting bit actually. That's what we used to say about our you end users. Oh, okay, okay, okay. You added two more shorts. Oh my goodness, Joe. Joe really wants the ES to crash. Yeah, I mean it's really not breaking out though. Like it's playing games and it's not breaking out. So it might just be flagging to go to the abyss. You have 10 contracts now short. You need this thing to go down now, Joe. Oh yeah, it looks like it's about to crash here. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see, let's see. Still holding the bottom, but let's see, Joe. Oh, and it says nope. It said nope, not yet. It said nope, not yet. I think has a lot of resistance up there, my goodness. A lot of resistance. Maybe later today. Yeah, later today. Yeah, yeah. That's what we're just looking at futures because the market is a little bit on the slow side. They're giving you one more scam, Joe. Like one more scam. One more scam. Yeah, you really need that thing to go below the 200. Below the 200. Choo, choo, choo. 10 contracts. My goodness, Joe. 10? That's the same thing Dan does. Uh-oh. Joe's exactly R7, exactly. Not today especially. Everything seems to be a pump and dump. Pump and dump. Rally and then right back down. Then rally and then right back down. Doo, doo, doo. Yeah, you need a dip here like now, Joe. Like now, now, now. Like right now. Doo, doo. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That candle's looking a little bit sus, Joe. At the time, 10 on Fridays was risky, but it paid off. Okay, okay, yeah, that is risky. Joe is praying. Pray, Joe. Pray, pray, pray. Harder. Yeah, there's a little pivot there. Little pivot right there. You kind of need that thing to stay above that, stay below that pivot. Stay below the pivot and lose the gains in that candle, and I think you're gonna be fine. It's starting to show some signs though. Show some signs. Come on, crash it, crash it, crash it. Do this for Joe. Uh-oh. In trouble, Joe. In troubles. In troubles. That candle is gonna go test all the way at the very top of the range, it seems. The top of the range. We'll see. Hit my take profit within one tick. Isn't that crazy? That's wild. Yeah, when you're holding 10 contracts, like it moves crazy. Like you up, down $100, $300, $500 in like 2 seconds. Do, 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 do. Uh-oh, Joe. Starts trading tomorrow. Okay, DJT. Donald Trump. Huh. Yeah, you need a double top like now. Otherwise, we're gonna need to call on Jesus for you. You need this candle to turn red. Like as soon as possible. Come on, crash it, crash it. Oh, Joe. Oh. Oh no. That thing wants to go, doesn't it? Yeah, that thing wants to go. Okay, there you go. That's a double top for now. It's a double top for now. It's a double top. I tried. Yes. Well, it's still a double top for now, so Joe still has a chance. There's still a chance. Still a chance, Dan. Come on, turn red, turn red, turn red. This candle better go red. There we go. Come on, crash it, crash it, crash it. Do it for Joe. Oh, that candle's fighting. It came back down to retest the 9, actually. Come on. That candle's like, Joe, who? Who? Uh-oh. Yeah, that candle's fighting hard. Yeah, we're retesting the same top now. What's the ultimate high though? That's the high of the day. Yeah, so 87.50, 287.50 on the 5. Dan, yeah. Oh, look at that brand new candle there. Higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. I feel like we're more concerned for Joe than he is. He's like, you know what? I'm confident that it's gonna crash. Yeah, I know that this to me just looks like a higher low, higher low, higher low, and then it's testing for a breakout. That's what it looks like to me at least. But Joe's like, nope. Joe's ice cold with 10 contracts. I don't even want to guess how red Joe is. How red are you, Joe? Down $2,000. And he's like, oh, that thing breaks above that level. Joe's gonna start to feel whisper, 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 whisper. Oh, here we go, Joe. Here we go. Here we go. You need like the mother of all red candles now, like a fat red candle straight to zero. You're down $700. Okay, 700. Yeah, we'll see. Anyways, anything else here moving? It looks like we failed at 40 cents here for KULR. Zura, yeah, Zura failed at resistance too. MNY, nothing. Everything just looks sus. Everything looks very sus. Again, that's kind of why we're watching futures because everything just doesn't. You don't like these games, do you? No. Nope. Okay. Sky. Sky. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's do 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes, and then hop off and go back to Discord. 5 more minutes. Sell off Monday. Yeah. Oh yeah, Nas. Let me take a look at this one, and then so SGMT. So you're in. You said you were in at $5, I think. So which is good. You have a triple top here for some. So $5.50, a lot of resistance on a smaller time frame. Yeah, that's why it's failing at 550 because that's the if you look at the daily NAS, you can see that that this little corona right there, constant resistance right there. So it does look good though. If I was holding this position, I think I just set a stop loss above $5 and then hope that it breaks. But I think you're fine. Right, I would just set a stop loss above one of these higher lows, right, and hope that we break above 550 and just go boom skis. Is what I would do. Alrighty, it looks good. It almost seems like it doesn't have any volume, but it has volume, which is interesting. Yeah. Joe, more? You added more or what? ES. Let's go back. Yeah, ES is still there, still at the top, still testing Joe's patience. Things like Joe, we will test you today. We shall test you. Oh, you need a flush, a proper flush. Come on, flush, 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 flush. My goodness, that thing is fighting above the 9 and right back up there. Sheesh, Joe. No, I need more red candles. Oh, I see. Yeah. I bet you Dan is in a long position. Dan, you're in a long position, aren't you? Dan is in a long position. in the long position. Nah, 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 nah. Let's yeah, Joe. We'll give you 3 more minutes. See if we pop or see if we flush, and then we can go to Discord. And then Joe's gonna be crying in the truck by himself. Oh, maybe here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, give it to Joe. Uh huh. Uh huh. Come on. I think it's like that's all you get. Would that just get logged out of that? I did. Yeah, that's that seats. Let me log in here. No, no, no. Oh my God, Joe! Look at that. Yup, that thing just looks like it wants to break out, doesn't it? Yeah, that thing just looks like it wants to go. To me, that looks very bullish. It's very, very bullish. Very, very bullish. That might be a scam wick though, but who knows? We'll see. Yeah, the level of like your last line of defense is like 82, 87, 87.50. After that, Joe, it's in the hands of the gods to decide what they want to do with you. My heart. Is your heart pounding? Stay on the road, please. Eyes on the road. Eyes on the road. Oh yeah, that thing is holding the blue line so nicely. So nicely. So nicely. So nicely. Huh. Maybe that was a scam candle. We'll see. Anyways, let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Any last questions, and then we can hop off and go back to Discord so I can go do some other stuff, some one-on-ones. Please and thank you. What block is that? Okay. Let me know. So, Joe, question for you though: are you gonna cut this thing if it breaks above the previous top, or you're gonna diamond hand? Hmm. I don't really believe this is a scam. Maybe it is. Anyways, what else here? CYTO has done a really good job holding the 200. The 200, $2.50. $2.50. Alrighty, so as long as it stays above 250, that's okay. We'll pump tonight due to the name change. The name change has never been a reason to buy a stock, VX. You're just watching for the momentum when the like Pablo said, when the actual SEC filing comes out, right? Which the name change seems like it's completed now and it's going to happen. Just play the momentum at that point, right? Just play the technicals. You don't want to buy now in anticipation of something good happening and then it doesn't happen, right? So I would just wait for the price action, please, and then go from there. Alrighty. Ooh, Joe, come on. Look at that candle. Good job. Well done. Look at that candle. Yeah. I will not be scammed, he says. Well, now you need that thing to go right back above right back below the 200 now and stay below the 200, and then you're fine. Right at the end, right at the very, very end, Joe. Oh my days. Oh my days. Yeah, it looks like it's recovering a little bit, but that was a nice little drop. The goats. That's why he's the goats. Yeah. He was close to death. It's coming? Okay, sounds good. That's why he's the goat. Na, 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 na. La, 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 la. I don't know. I don't know what like if Joe watches the road or the candles more these days. Joe's like one of those people that you get to a destination and you're like, wait, how did I get here? He knows every damn thing that happens with the candles, though. Oh my days. Oh, that's a pretty big bounce on that at the bottom of the wick there. The bottom of the wicks. This damn thing is gonna test Joe today to the max. Look at that. It recovered all of it. All of it recovered. It's like, Joe, yeah? Okay, I'll respond to that in a bit. La, 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 la. Choo, 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 choo. My trainee is freaking out. Well, hopefully your trainee doesn't tell on you and say, "Oh, I this guy was teaching me how to drive, but this whole time he was on his phone. He was on his phone panicking." Yeah, yeah. Hopefully not. BTC's at 70 now. Sweet, sweet. Good morning, Mark. OCGN. Good morning. Bonjour, bonjour. Good morning. Good morning. 20%. La 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 la. Yeah, no, it's been OCGN has been spammed a few times in Discord. Respect, yes. Go red on the day. Isn't that crazy, Justin? Like from up 100% to red, isn't that crazy? That's yeah. That's why you want to be careful with stocks that run without a catalyst, because there's a really good chance they go back to the abyss. Really good chance you see the abyss. Let's see here. Delete, delete, delete. Edit, edit. And then, okay, sounds good. ES will slide now. As that thing is about to squeeze you again, Joe. Yeah, it's holding the chrono now. Yeah, if we go below 285, I think it's gonna go to the abyss. But yeah. That's if we do that though. Yeah, I just never really looked at that one line because it's a penny stock. I just kind of stayed away from it. It's like, nope, stay away, stay away, stay away. Stayed away. Highs of the day, MNY. Oh yeah, that's yeah, testing the double top again, lion. For the most part, that's how all of this stuff seems. Anyways, last questions, guys, and then we're gonna hop off. Just so I can, just so I'm not late. Alrighty, last questions, last questions, last questions. Joe, let us know how this goes. We're gonna be in the futures channel. You guys can go in the futures channel too. But, yeah, at some point today we can maybe do a future stream to end the day or something. I know I need to run. I have 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Yeah, MNY is testing the highs, and there it goes, Lion. Highs of the day, 210, $2.10. Okay, sounds good, Joe. Alrighty, y'all. Be safe, Joe. Hopefully that damn thing crashes for you. And see you in Discord. Alrighty. Maybe we'll come back for later. Alrighty. Alrighty. Bye, guys.